The question says, among the following, the maximum covalent character is shown by the compound. Which compound shows maximum covalent character? Okay, and to determine the covalent character, we use Fajan's rule. Okay, we use Fajan's rule. According to Fajan's rule, we have learned higher is the charge of a cation or anion. Okay, higher the charge of cation or anion, both the ions. Higher the charge of cation or anion, higher is their polarizing power, and hence higher is the covalent character. This is what we have learned. Okay, higher the charge, higher their polarizing power, tendency to pull the electron. Okay, and higher the covalent character. So we can determine, you can see we have chloride ion, chloride ion, chloride ion, chloride ion is there. So in all these cases we have same anion is there, so there is no comparison. So we should focus on cation. Find the charge. It is 1, it is 2. The crisscross, 2 will go on the left side, 1 will go on the right side. First one is always positive, second one is always negative. In this case it is 1 crisscross, it is +2, it is -1. Here we have 1 aluminum, 3 will go on the left side, 1 will go on the right side. So aluminum 3 plus. In this case Mg2 plus Cl -1. Okay. So iron 2 plus, tin 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus. But in this case we can see we have my aluminum 3 plus. Highest charge is there. In remaining case we have +2 plus 2 plus 2. In this case we are getting +3. Highest charge. So we have learned higher the charge of cation or anion, higher is their polarizing power and higher is the covalent character. Then we can see since aluminum is having higher charge, its polarizing power is very high, hence it will have higher covalent character. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.